Keep it coming, easy now. All right, hold it right there.
Keep the line steady, moving towards gate 3. Watch the horns on the left side, please.
The flow rate seems slightly high on station 3.
I agree. Let's adjust the automatic calibration now.
Scan on Bull 7 is complete, vitals look good. Confirming readings on the holographic display. All sensors clear on the path ahead. Guide them to Bay 3, gently now.
Make sure the stitching is precise on this batch.
Yeah.
I'm checking them now, they look good.
Ensure the stitching on the duffel bags meets the premium standard.
Yes, checking the seams now.